Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video, I will be sharing the top 3 topics of mathematical physics, which are the most expected topics in your upcoming CSIR Net exam. Even these will be the important topics for the upcoming GATE exam and all other similar exams too. And guys, from these topics, the questions have been asked again and again in the previous years in CSIR Net exam, even the other similar exams as well. So these are the topics which you can't miss and you should not miss because these are scoring, these are most expected ones. So if you will cover them, you will be confident about your preparation. And yeah, there are great chances you can have the questions based on these topics in your upcoming exam. Now guys, I will be starting the discussion about all these 3 important and the most important topics. Okay, that what are these topics and how you can cover them. I will be considering that part. But before that, if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, then you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. If you will click on the subscribe button, okay, that's like subscribe will be written there. When you will click on that, you will get a bell icon. So click on the bell icon so that you will get the notifications for the new videos which I will upload on this channel. And even guys, if your friends are preparing for the upcoming CSIR Net exam, GATE exam or any other similar exam, you can share this video with them as well. Along with that, the already uploaded videos on this channel which I have already uploaded, they are even very important. So if you have not checked them yet, you can even watch those videos too. They will be helping you in your exam preparation as well. Now guys, let's start the discussion. But before that, one more update is there which I would like to share with you, and that is related to the Unacademy Plus subscription. So there is an offer going on Unacademy Plus subscription for CSIR UGC Net category. So as you all will be familiar with one thing, that is whenever you are going to take the Unacademy Plus subscription and you will be using the referral code which is Anjali Arora as mentioned here on the screen. Okay, no space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it. So by using and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. This is something for all the different durations. For example, 3-month subscription if somebody will be taking 6 months, 12 months or 24-month subscription. So if you want to take the subscription for any such duration, you can use and apply the referral code and you will be getting the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. One more thing right now, okay, which means this offer which is valid from 23rd to 30th September. So if you will be taking the Unacademy Plus subscription right now, in that case, you will get one offer on the 12-month subscription. Even in that case, you can use and apply the referral code. And by using and by applying the referral code, you will be getting the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. And along with that, if you are taking the 12-month subscription, you will get the 2 months free. Okay, so this is how you can even get this benefit if you will be taking the subscription in this duration from 23rd to 30th September. Okay, so this was something very important I would I wanted to share with all of you. And guys, now if you want to take the subscription, because see, if you will be taking the subscription, then in that case almost every week the new courses are starting on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation by the top educators. So you will be able to take your preparation to a very good level with all these well structured and well planned courses. And along with that guys, one more thing, that is since let's say there is any course going on, okay, and you are going to find it very much beneficial, so in that case you will be able to check out the recordings of the previous classes too which have been conducted already. And when you will check them, and let's say you are going to find like, oh, this point is not clear to me, so in that case what you will be able to do, you can ask about your doubts in the doubt clearing session. Okay, and in each and every course there are doubt clearing sessions after few number of sessions. Okay, so this is how everything will be helping you a lot in your preparation and will help you to take your preparation to a very good level. Along with that guys, if you want to take the subscription, then you can download the Unacademy learning app. You can select your goal which will be CSIR UGC Net. Okay, if you are preparing for CSIR, net physics exam or any other similar exam. Along with that, now when you will proceed further, you will see the subscription is available for different duration. For example, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. So you can select it for whatever duration you want to take the subscription. After that, guys, what you need to do, you will proceed further. Okay, you will get a place to write the referral code, where you can write this referral code, which is Anjali Arora. Okay, you need to write it as it is, no space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it. After that, guys, even this is like one way that you can download the Unacademy learning app and you can proceed to take the subscription. Okay, now another thing is you can directly search Unacademy Plus on Google, and that's how you will be able to proceed further to take the subscription. So these were some of the important things I wanted to share with you, and I hope everything will be clear to all of you. Whether you are taking the subscription for any duration, if you are getting the referral code written there, which you will be getting, so in that case, just write and apply the referral code, and by using and by applying the referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Clear? And that offer is only valid for 12 months. This offer, okay, that is plus 2 months, and rest referral code and everything like that you can write or you can use for any other duration subscription too. Now, let's start the discussion about today's most important point. That is, what are the top 3 or the most important 3 topics which you can't skip and you can't miss, because they are scoring, they are most expected ones, and they are gonna be something which can help you to score good marks and even to solve more number of questions in the exam. So let's just start the discussion about them. Let me just quickly tell you the name of 3 topics. That's going to be a quick discussion. So basically, guys, the first one, I would suggest you that you should go for it and you should not miss it. That is numerical techniques. Now, what are the topics in numerical techniques I would suggest you to prepare? So let me just even clear that point. So the first one will be trapezoidal rule. Okay, Simpson's 1/3 rule. That's the second one. I am telling you on the basis of the analysis we have done for the previous year question papers. Okay, so on the basis of that, these two which will be helping you to solve the integration. After that, Newton-Raphson method, Newton's forward difference method. Okay, these 4 are the topics which you can't miss and you should not skip. Clear? So after that, the second topic I would like to tell you is metrics. So metrics is another very important topic, and so frequently we have got the questions from the metrics part. If you will check out the previous year question papers, the frequency of the questions from this topic is very good in the exam. Okay, so you should not skip it. Third most important topic which I would suggest you to go for and to not miss it, that's the contour integration, which is even a part of complex analysis topic. So you can even consider it all together. Or if you just want to do limited one, so go for the contour integration. That's another very important and very much expected topic from the mathematical physics part. So don't miss any of these topics. Now quickly, let me just provide you the information that what are the steps you can follow to cover up these topics. Guys, when you will be preparing the numerical techniques topic, okay, like I have told you, the trapezoidal rule, Simpson's 1/3 rule, there you just need to know the formulae and you get the 5 marks questions from these topics. So just prepare the formulae. It's very less time taking part, okay, and you will be getting the questions which are quite easy ones if you know the formulae, if you know what are the symbols and notations meaning there in the formula part. So you will surely be able to do it. Same way for Newton-Raphson method, as well as for the Newton's forward difference method. In case of forward difference method, you have to make the table. You need to know what are the differences you are taking, how you are finding them. And if you will get to know about that, like, it will be quite easy for you. And there is one formula, you just need to prepare it. So if you are the one who is not familiar with any of these topics, but you want to cover them up, they are quite easy. Even on this channel, that is Mission at Physics Exam, you can find the discussion about these topics. But still, if you are finding like, oh, you want me to discuss it again together, and like you want me to provide you a video regarding this, so surely you can tell me about it. I will try to provide you the video regarding these points soon. After this, guys, I have talked about the next topic, that is metrics. So for metrics, I would suggest you few steps you need to follow. So first thing is the basic type of matrices should be clear to you. Even the different types like the symmetric condition, asymmetric condition, Hermitian, okay, skew Hermitian, orthogonal. So I would say if possible, just check out their conditions as well, because they will be helping you too in solving the questions. They are real independent parameters, they're real dependent parameters, and all of that. Okay, the basic things. After that, guys, eigenvalue concept is very much important. Eigenvector concept is very much important. Clear? And if I'm going to talk about the next one, that is going to be along with these topics, like I would say Cayley-Hamilton theorem, that is important from the metrics part. So step by step, you should cover up all these things. Okay. And even again, if you want me to discuss these points, these topics, surely tell me about it in the comment section. I will soon try to provide you the video regarding these topics. Okay, now third one, that is contour integration or complex analysis completely. So basically in that case, if you are going for the contour integration topic, first of all, understand what type of questions you can have in the exam. Basically, integration 0 to 2 pi, integration minus infinity to plus infinity, integration over a contour. And since there is going to be Cauchy's residue theorem, which is very important, so you should know when you can apply it, what is the theorem, when we take the positive sign, when we take the negative sign, if this is going to be the type of integration, what are the steps we need to follow. So that's something very important to understand, and once you will get to know about it, it's quite easy. The steps you need to follow: firstly, understand the type of questions you can have from the contour integration part, and after that, just prepare the methods. That's it. This is what you need to do. You will even find the videos regarding these topics on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, and in very easy manner I have discussed all these topics. So if you were finding them difficult till now, you can find them quite easy by checking out the videos I have uploaded on this channel. So surely go for them. Okay, and yeah, they will be helping you in your preparation. So guys, I hope that all these points will be clear to all of you, and now it will be easy for you to decide like from where you need to start, how you need to prepare, what you need to prepare. And if it is gonna be easy, like I think you will do the good preparation as well. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. And as in the starting of the session, I have provided you this information about the offer. So the offer is valid till 30th September. So if you want to take the subscription, you can take the subscription. Okay, in that duration, if you want to get the offer. Along with that, whenever you will be taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use and apply the referral code. Even along with the referral code, you will get that offer too. Okay, so for 12-month subscription, it is there. So by using and by applying the referral code, you will be getting the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. One more thing, guys, here I would like to tell you that the courses which we are having on Unacademy Plus by the top educators are completely exam oriented and will be helping you in your upcoming exam preparation. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end, and don't forget to share the video with your friends, those who are preparing for the upcoming exam. And even if you are new on this channel, so subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.